Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Transit door lock. First, let's prepare for the task. It is crucial to gather all necessary tools, including a screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and a Torx wrench set. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Additionally, placing a protective cloth beneath the door handle can prevent any accidental scratches to your vehicle's finish. Now, let's proceed with removing the old lock. Begin by gently prying off the interior door trim panel with a trim removal tool, being careful not to damage any clips. Next, locate and disconnect all electrical connectors from the lock assembly. Use a Torx wrench to unbolt the lock assembly, ensuring you keep all bolts organized. Finally, detach the door latch cable and any connecting rods from the old lock mechanism. With the old lock removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new door lock assembly into its position and secure it using the Torx bolts. Reconnect all electrical connectors, making sure each connection is firm and correctly seated. Attach the door latch cable and any other lock rods to the new assembly. Pay close attention to ensure the lock rod for the exterior handle snaps securely into its designated place. Before fully reassembling, thoroughly test the new door lock's functionality from both inside and outside the vehicle. Once satisfied, carefully reinstall the interior door trim panel, ensuring all clips are engaged and screws are tightened. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Double-check that the lock operates smoothly and correctly, providing reliable security for your Ford Transit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.